Hello everyone, today we are gonna learn about summer block. So summer block is nothing but this is known as a summer block. A summer block is a block that should have two or more than two inputs. So that is what we will call a summer block. So what there are different types of summer blocks, and one is this multi-input single output, multi-input, multi-output. So summer block will always have a multi-input, that is more than one, but output can be a single or a multi. So here is an example. So this is the example of multi-input single output. As you can see, this is single two inputs are coming into my summer block, and I'm having only one output. So this is a multi-input single output. Here when you see I'm having multi-input as well as I'm having multi-output. So this is known as multi-input, multi-output, and this is known as multi-input single output. Now let us go into symbol representations of this summer block. Here, let us say I'm having two inputs and two outputs. I'm giving this x1 and x2. Let us say I'm giving both plus. I'm having y1 and y2. So my outputs here will be x1 plus x2, and here also it will be x1 plus x2. So this is one type of representation of the summer block. Now similarly we'll have another representation of summer block. Let us say instead of two outputs I am, let us take here having three inputs. So this one x1 and this one is x2. So my output y, let us take this one minus x2 minus, oh, sorry, x3, and my output will be x1 plus x2 minus x3. So this is how you perform, this is how you get output for a three input summer block. Now let us do it for if those are connected in series. So here I am having three summer blocks connected in series. Now let us take this as x1, and I will make this one as plus, and I will take these outputs. We will take another input here. Now let us take another input here, and we will take this as plus and this as minus, and I am giving this x3 and this one as x3, and I will make this x4. So now x4. Now let us understand the series operation here. See, first we will find what we are getting here. So what are we getting here? Like here we are getting x1 plus x2. Now this x1 plus x2 is fed as input to this summer block, and x3 and x2, and x3 is getting added and x2 is getting subtracted in this one. So here what I will get, Here x1 plus x2 minus x2, 1 plus x2 minus x2. So I will directly x2 x2 will get cancelled. I will directly write x1 minus x1 plus x3. Yes, yes. Now this input is getting this is getting fed to this one. So here x3 is getting subtracted and x4 is getting subtracted. Now let us see what we will get here. Minus x3 minus x1 minus x3 minus x3. Now let us take this plus. So this will become plus x3 minus x4. So my output y will be x1 minus x1. So this is how you will calculate output if summer blocks are connected in series. Now let us try to make a summer block neutral. How we will make a summer block neutral? I'm placing this one here. Let us say I am having x1 and x2 as inputs and output y. So making a summer block neutral means inside this summer block I should not find negative sign. In order to make neutral, it must always be the sign must always be positive. So in order to make those positive, I will bring the coefficients outside. So what I will do is I will make one box here. This one I connect here, and here another one. So here I need to make this plus and plus. So here this one is my x2 and this is my x1. So in order to make this here, first let us write the output. Here my output is x1 minus x2. So here also my output must be x1 minus x2. So here my x1 is coming, so I will keep plus 1. And here my x2 is coming, so I need to get minus x2. So I will multiply with minus 1. So I will get x1 minus x2 here. So this is how you make a summer block neutral. So that's all for this video. If you have any doubts, you can comment down. I'll try to answer. Thank you.